Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's great to have you all here once again on a bright July the 8th, Monday morning. The market's up, we are green, breaking all-time records once again. Everything's looking wonderful. So I hope you're all well. I hope you're all rested. Apologize for being 2 minutes late. I was here half an hour early, as always I am. And right on the opening of the show, I had some updates which needed to be reapplied. No idea why. You tell me why. Always happens. Anyway, let's see who was here first. We've got Team Fusion. Hi, Mike, Harry, Stephen, David. Team Fusion. Let's get our scheduled appointment in today. Let's get that done today. Very, very important. I'd love to arrange that with you. As a gold member, you get those one-on-one calls with me. Let's sort that out today. BPTH up 5% pre-market. Yeah, we put a video about it, alerted the world to it. I did a review over the weekend. It went out again, more BPTH. Let's have a quick look at it. There it is, BPTH. And if we go to the videos, you'll see we did put a video out. It says 41 minutes ago. That needs to be refreshed. There you go. 19 hours ago. That's TPET. There's another one. Here we go. BPTH. This one was also out just a few hours ago. Very, very nice indeed. So let's get that straight at the top of the show. Good morning, David Ewan. How are you? Happy Monday, all in one. ARQ2. If you are a member of the show, I can review it, make videos for you, just like I've done for Biopath and all the others. Hi, Stephen. Hi, James. Para. Same thing. I'll answer the same question. What's your favorite tea, James? The Lucas effect. Yes, we call it the Lucas effect. Shall we do a quick one here? BPTH. So let's go BPTH, top of show. Here we go, BPTH, top of show. Let's do that now. So we're having a nice green morning this morning. As you can see, we're breaking all-time records again, which is always nice. As you can see, there's my portfolio, 103,832. No money's going in again until July the 21st. Good morning. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Now, of course, let's all send some love to John Granfor. John Granfor was in the eye of the storm last night as it approached Texas from the Gulf. Love to John Granshaw. All right, so everybody, you'll see this later. John Granshaw, copy and paste. There you go. John Granshaw was near the storm. In fact, he told me, he sent me a text. He said, I might not be in the show in the morning because we might not have any internet. So there is love to John Granshaw. Copy and paste, everybody. Get it in. Let's let John see that later on, all right, when he finally makes it in, which I'm sure he will. All right, so let's have a look at this. BPTH. Let's bring it up on the screen. Market cap, yes, there it is. Let's have a look. YouTube, BPTH stock. We're trying to rank number one in the world for it. Where do we rank now? Still not number one. No, not number one yet. Have we slipped down? We can't have slipped down. BPTH. How many videos have I done on this one? Just one. Yes, I know what it was. It was the other one, wasn't it? It was TPET. That's the one we were ranking for. Anyway, not yet. Let's have a look. TPTE stock. TPET stock. We're at number one in the world for that one. Yes, number 2 now. We've gone from number 3 to number 2. Okay, here we go. Let's have a look. There we go. Right, let's have a look. I'm going to bring this up. I want to show this. Okay. Here we go. So, Biopath. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Biopath Holdings up 5.26. We like to call it the Lucas effect. We've just done a review on this stock. Biopath analysis 19 hours ago. It's brand new, just out, and we did an analysis on this stock. Told you all about the inside trading, the positions, the levels of buying, inside trading, profitability, solvency score, all of that was in there. So go and check that out. Link below this video and link above my head. If you go into the comments below, the description below, and click more at the bottom, it opens all the links above my head. But we got some movement this morning, up 5.26. It's a very small company. It's got a very, very small market cap. If I zoom down here, these are the sort of stocks that we can move. Anything under $1 million, we can definitely move if the review is bullish. But you can see the market cap is 3.56, so it's probably not one that we can move or even intend to ever move a stock. Just a bit of entertainment, really. But at the end of the day, we are ranking for it. Go and check it out. Now, over the weekend, we had some fun. I had a Dallas cheerleader who I work with. Some of you may have seen it. To record this. I've just put a new pop video out. Those that don't know, I'm the world piano man. And I had a lot of fun here making a pop video with a Dallas cheerleader. Go and check it out. If you've not yet seen it, I do a pop video here. It's a song, Love is in the Air. I can't play the audio right now because of copyright. But if you are a fan of the show and you want to see how I spend my weekends, I had two. I had a Dallas cheerleader and I also had a... working with a ballerina as well. So go and check that out. You might enjoy that. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I'll also put this, a Dallas cheerleader. Absolutely fantastic. And there's some shorts. And we're asking people to record themselves dancing with her and do some collaborations. And there might be a prize for the best one. So there you go. That's something extra. Anyway, Biopath is up 5.26. If you like this video, go and check it out and subscribe to the channel if you are interested. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description, and over here you'll find the Biopath analysis, and you'll also find the dance when I was working with our Dallas cheerleader. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Excellent. So let me bring that back. What else have we got? TPET. Let's have a look at that one. We just put that one out as well. TPET. Trio. Up this morning. Is it moving? Just starting to. We did the review. Okay. Right, let's read some more comments. Good day, the game show. How are you? Good day to you. If you become a member of our channel, we can review all these stocks for you, cover earnings for you, and there's so much more we can do for you once you actually become a member of the channel. There's the links. Let's have a look. Team Fusion. Good morning, Bill. James 007. Positive energy always. And all Lucas Aid in the known universe. Love it. Love to John Grimshaw. Absolutely. I put Granshaw. Should put Grimshaw. Oops. For a shot of Monster, the drink those to wake you up. Yes, prayers going your way. David Ewan, love and best, a British to John. Lovely. John Granshaw or John Granfor. It's John Granfor, isn't it? It's John Granfor. What? Grimshaw, Gronshaw, bloody hell, it's Granfor. Stacey Bailey, yes. It is, you're right. My favourite T. James, ringtone's interesting. John, let's get through here. David Jewett, OPTT was up almost 20%, back down to 10. ASTI up almost 12%, or let's cover that in a second then. Right, TPET. Let's have a look at this one. Then TPET. All right. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, TPET, Trio Petroleum. We're watching this one very closely today as we've just done a review on this stock just a few days ago. In fact, 19 hours ago to be precise. And we are looking to this one. We do expect oil to move up. We've got one of our major investors is buying, who's a big oil investor, has just started buying it. A small investment compared to his normal investments, but he's just bought Matador, nearly 200,000, 183,000 to be precise. He's now buying Trio Petroleum. So here's one very, very interesting. You might like to go and check the analysis out. It's above my head and down below in the description. But you might also like to know what I was up to over the weekend. I was working with a Dallas cheerleader. You want to have a little look at this? Of course you do. I can't play you the audio because of copyright, but go and check it out. I was recording some music over the weekend with some dancers, a Dallas cheerleader and a ballerina. Both are on my music channel right now. Go and check it out. Had a lot of fun doing this. The studio's looking good, and there it is. So go and check that out if you're interested. I can't play the audio because of copyright reasons, but tap the like button and subscribe to the investor channel and the music channel if you're interested, and you can go and see what I was up to over this weekend. Looks pretty cool, right? A Dallas cheerleader. We're asking you to record yourself dancing as a collaboration with my shorts. I've got short versions of this, and we're trying to find who was the best dancer, male or female, just for some fun. Copy the routine and sing along with the song. It's a bit like Rick Rowland. We're doing the Lucasade effect now. All right, okay. Trio Petroleum. Click above my head for all the links down below. I'll put the Trio Petroleum playlist, and I'll put our Dallas cheerleader just down there as well. All right, fantastic. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Good morning, Martyn Lucas, and all your awesome future millionaires. Let's get the money. ASTI. Let's have a look at ASTI. We cover that one as well. I'm getting some news here that ASTI is up as well. Let's have a little look. Oh, yes, it is. Let's have a quick look here. ASTI. We were also covering this. Let's have a quick look here. Whoops-a-daisy. Let me just zoom out. Now we did the ASTI playlist just a little while ago. In fact, is that going to show probably? Let me just do it this way. No, that won't work. That won't work. I'll just find an ASTI video. Do it this way. ASTI. Probably going to miss it if I do it like this, but I'm going to search anyway. Oh, there we go. Right, that'll do for me. ASTI. Then ASTI. ASTI. ASTI, ticker symbol ASTI. We're watching this one today. It's called the Lucas Effect, up 12.1% today. We just did an interview with Paul Worley, the CEO. Got some great things coming down the pipe for ASTI. You can see there 2 weeks ago we did the review and the interview, and since then we've also been presenting you with all the trade options and where the buy zones and levels of where to buy it. But there is some movement today. You might be interested, so do tap the like button and check out the links above my head down below in the description. If you click the more button, it will open up the it will open up the links I always say about above my head. But over the weekend, I was celebrating all of this and having some fun, taking some time out from the music and actually recording with a Dallas cheerleader. Look at this in the studio. Go and check it out. I can't play you the audio because of copyright reasons, but on my music channel, spent the weekend working with a ballerina and a Dallas cheerleader just to lighten the mood. And we're asking you actually to learn to dance with her. So if you watch the full video and you do the routine, you can collab on my shorts. I've got some shorts of this, and you can actually dance along and sing along. And we're trying to do a Rick Rollin, Never Gonna Give You Up. Well, we got to the Lucas effect now. So we're doing this with a Dallas cheerleader, and we think it might be fun for you to record yourself, and we might give a prize for the best one. So go and check it out. So this is how I spend my weekends. So there you go. Click above my head for all the ASTI information in the playlist down below in the description. And also over here, I'll put the ASTI playlist, which includes the interview. And down here, why not? I'll put our Dallas cheerleader, and you can go and check it out. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. What else have we got? What else is happening this morning? Stacey Bailey, John Granfor. TPT is overvalued. Morning, boys and girls. Good morning to you. Don't forget to hit the like button. Martyn Investor, happy to watch the video with the sound at this moment in time. I'm happy to watch the video with the sound at this moment in time. Yes, you are, but I can't play the audio. But I'm glad you are. Morning, David. Morning, all. Team Fusion, I'm happy to watch your music video with the sound at this moment in time. Great. Good morning, Bill. How are you today? Feeling any better? More positive today? Let's hope so. ASTI is oversold. Crypto seems to be getting cheaper every time I look. I sold all my Bitcoin, as you know. Yes. Let's have a quick look at Bitcoin. You just mentioned it in the chat, so we should go and look at it. Let's have a look. Let's do a quick update on this for you. Then Bitcoin, BTC, and all crypto, to be honest. Bitcoin update. As you all know, I sold all of my crypto, apart from a few XRP. When Bitcoin reached $70,000, I see Bitcoin going down now as low as 15,000. I'm completely out, and all my money is now back in the S&P. Fantastic. So if you're interested, we've just done a full Bitcoin analysis video on our homepage of our channel. Sensei has presented to you who does all our crypto, all the charts, the buy zones and sell zones. So you might like to check that out. But we've been very busy, particularly this weekend. I've been recording with a Dallas cheerleader. If you're interested, go and check this out. Do you like the studio setup? Look pretty cool, right? Had a really good weekend learning and routine. Never Gonna Give You Up, Rick Astley. Well, we've started with Rick Rolling. Well, we've started the Lucas effect, and you can learn this routine. Go to the shorts version of this video, learn the routine, sing along with me as I do Love Is in the Air, and collab with me, and we might be looking to give a prize away for the best dancer and best singer who collaborates with me on this video. So as we watch Bitcoin go down, not all is bad. We are celebrating with making some fun videos at the weekend with our Dallas cheerleader. As she says, subscribe and ring the bell. We like that, absolutely. So if you want further information on Bitcoin and all the charts that Sensei has provided, he's done lots of charts on this that you might want to go and check out. They're on the homepage of the channel. This is the homepage. All our reviews, all our charts are all down here. You can check them all out. Many updates. I've put nearly 6,000 videos out now over the last 3 years. Lots of content for you to go and check. So there you go. Click above my head for all the links, or go below in the description and click the more button. It will open this up. And over here, I'll put the Bitcoin playlist with all the analysis. And down here, our Dallas cheerleader, if you want to be part of our videos and do some collaboration with me. That would be fantastic. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Never gonna give you up. Yeah, I'll record that one next. Be good. Never got a stock that you're looking at before it go. Need a good stock that you're looking at before it goes up. Well, there is the thing, right? Hello, David. Grab them pullback bounce scalps. I'm not on Discord. If you had YouTube channel, I would be a member. David, our Discord service is for free. You should get Discord. As a member to our channel, David, you get access to Discord for free, and Ed Nevius provides you all the information for free. He'll train you for free. He'll give you information for free. He'll give you scalp trades for free. It's all part of being a member of our channel. You really want to take advantage of that. There are many, many perks that you get that you're not taking advantage of right now. Let me give you the link to Discord. It's members only. If you're not a member, you will not be able to access that. All right? And here is the extra channel, so you can talk to our team 12 hours a day on the extra channel as well. Morning, everyone. Robin has spent billions to buy Bitstamp. Seems like an idiot move, says Smoky Fats. Tell me more. Zap, maybe a good one today. Zap. Maybe Ed, are you telling me to watch that one? Thank you. 200 million to buy. Maybe one day. Not going for that one. It's already up 229% in a week. Did you take a walk? No. Didn't walk this weekend. Mike. No. Get back on it again today. Thank you for the reminder. Did you have a chance to listen to that song I sent? Better Be Home Soon. You sent that to me in Discord, correct? Mike, I get so many messages, Mike. It's so hard to keep up to date with it. Vaz wants to come on the show. I'm talking to Vaz at the moment. Ed Nevius, I've caught up with you, I think. Mike. Neil Kim, I got you. Better Be Home Soon. Oh, no, I haven't, but I got it right in front of me. I'll make a point of listening to it today, Mike. Thank you. He's on a piano as well. That's kind of cool. Nice setup there. I'll have a listen to that today. Thank you, Mike. Remind me tomorrow. Say, did you listen to my song? You promised you would do it. So can you remind me again tomorrow and see if I've done it? I will have done it because I've said I will, so I will. But yeah. It's very difficult to get to everything, but focus on the members, of course. ARQ2, FDA approval, play, waiting on news, game show. I can't use your news information because I don't know. Until I remember, we can't verify your information. You could be a bot, a scammer, a 12-year-old kid. We've no idea. I can only do news and cover stocks for members, make news items on it because we don't know who you are. I just try to encourage you. I know you do, Mike, and I appreciate it. Strong rumor, Revolt will be hitting the market soon. FinTech, the owner announced the news this weekend. Revolt will be hitting the market soon. Team Fusion, thank you. Oh, wow, Bitstamp did volume in 24 hours. Neil Finn from Crowded House, the band. Thank you. Like Crowded House. Yeah, I'll make sure I listen to that. Right, back to the main positions. Let's go back over here. Yes, we're up again today, breaking all-time highs again. 103,849. That's good. Let's have a... James, cup of tea, mate. James, sort yourself out. James, here we go. Sort yourself out. I have my tea in my Lucas cup, James. Let's go over to the piano. Come on, James. Cheers, mate. Absolutely lovely. That is nice. I have to say, that is nice, you know. Nice cup of tea. You can't go wrong with it. You can't go wrong. Cup of tea from James. Right. And don't forget, the way we drink tea, it's got milk in it. If you don't have milk in your tea, it's merely vegetable soup. So think on. Missed a couple of comments there. Danny Rothschild. Good morning, everyone. Martyn Lucas Counseling Channel. Yeah, we are. We're the counseling channel. We're the support channel. We're your best friend channel. We're every channel. That's right. That's right. Bloody right. That is absolutely right. Mike, what is TES? T. Did I not say T? T, Mike, T. Good morning. Did you receive the email to meet the CEO of Stakeholder Foods? I did. I think I did. Hang on a minute. I did see an email this morning. Hang on a minute. Let me have a look. I did receive something this morning. Yes. I did. Can I share on the screen? I don't like giving numbers away. Yeah, I don't want to show it on the screen, but yes. Hi, I was told you have an amazing YouTube channel for investors. I'm reaching out to check if we can connect to talk about Stakeholder, leading in 3D printed meat, fish, and protein. I look forward to speaking with you. More Glotter, Vice President of Marketing, Stakeholder Foods. That was you, was it, Zach? Bloody marvelous. Look at that. Oh, if I'd looked down further, I would have seen it. Submitted content. Zach. Should I read out what Zach said to them? I want to try and connect Stakeholder and Martyn Lucas Investor Channel on YouTube. I listen and watch his show daily, and it's about stock market and companies in the stock. He just started this year, Meet the CEO series, that it invites the CEO to talk about their ideas and company. You can email him, and he'll definitely will be back to you. I love the company and more the idea. Good luck to you all. Hey, Zach, absolutely great. So, yep, I'll get on with that. I always do. That's awesome. That was very quick, Zach. You don't mess around. Everyone should do it. Everyone. All you've got to do is, that's your homework today. Pick 2 or 3 companies, sod it, 3 or 4 companies, and what you do is go to their website. So just find the company website, investor relations, public relations, whatever, email investor relations, and you can include one of my videos if you want to. You don't have to, like one of the reviews for the stock, the analysis videos. You can tell them that you're an investor. You need to be an investor. They're not interested in self-promotion it's why I don't do it. I don't ring them up and say, oh, do you want to be on my show? The investors say, I'm an investor. I think it'd be great if you appeared on the show. You can advertise the show. Very often we rank number 1 for the stock, and it's an opportunity to talk about the company. And I, as an investor, would love to see that. And what you can do is you can save that email as a template, and then you can copy it and paste with the new name, the new business, and your new positions if you're sharing your share positions or whatever it might be. So you don't have to keep redoing it. Once you've designed the email, you can just keep doing it as many times as you like to as many companies as you want. And once you get a relationship with them, once you get a response, then you can start putting them in contact with me, and then we'll get them on the show. It'll be absolutely fantastic. Of course, my email is martin@martynlucas.com, and you can find all that. You can find my email address, of course, below all the videos. You can find it on the information page of the channel and all the rest of it. So you might want to go and do that. It's a nice little thing. So there you go. Good morning to everybody on Rumble this morning. We're giving Rumble another month. At the moment, Rumble's numbers are going dramatically down, and I've put every single video that I've ever made on Rumble, but the viewership, there's just not that many people on Rumble, I'm afraid. And it's you can see there's my music channel and there's my investor channel. Look, these are all the videos. Look, but as you can see, They don't get that many views, unfortunately. We're trying. All we want to do is beat last month's. Last month I earned $5 on Rumble. If I can get more than $5 this month, I'll give it another month. I'll keep going. But for what it costs me to pay to restream to multiple places, it just doesn't pay. And I've been doing it for a year. My live shows get a lot of views. They do well, but they don't earn any money though. I don't know why. It's only the videos that make any money. And each video makes less than a cent. And I put so many videos out. It's incredibly hard work for zero return. But anyway, I'm still there. So hopefully if you like my content, support me on Rumble and we'll continue. But if this month doesn't pay off, then it might be time to let it go and focus, double down on my efforts on YouTube. Hydro Hustler, good morning to you. Cheers, Martyn. Enjoy your tea. The drink of champions. That's right, Siri. Yeah, don't say it. Gets all the phones going. I had 4-day weekend. Fireworks on the lake were down 500%. Sign of the times. Yes, that's a good indication, isn't it? I made it onto Discord channel. Now I've got to figure out how... right, okay. You can't see anything at the moment, David Ewan. So what you need to do, David, is you need to give me your username. It takes 10 minutes to get onto our Discord channel because of security measures. All right? You need to send me a friend request and give me your username, and I will look for you. I don't know who you are in Discord. There's no way for me to know, and at the moment you can't see anything. So if you do. Here's the link. You get into Discord, all right? Click on the link. Send me a friend request. Do not accept a friend request from anybody else because they will. You'll get scammers pretend to be me. Don't accept any friend requests other than me doing it live in the show. So don't accept a friend request from anybody right at this moment, all right? You send me a friend request. I don't send you one, all right? So I'm looking to see your username. I don't see you on Discord. I don't know who you are, so you have to go and give me your username. All right, so I will wait, David, for you to do that. At the moment, you can't see anything. Streaming the music channel, Stacey Bailey, I noticed. Thank you so much indeed. We are at 3,750. I thought we'd get to 3,800 after the music show, but we didn't quite do it. We're at 3,750. So we're nearly at 800. So we're getting there. We're trying to get to 4,000. Thank you very much indeed. David, keep in mind that it's been a multi-day runner Zap. There you go. Thanks, Stacey. Yes. Let's get Jamie Dimon. I'll keep an eye on it, Ed. Or I got a bit of a... Okay. Can you please explain why you stopped streaming on TikTok and using Rumble now? It's all to do with the setup of my studio. Danny, would you like to see me on Rumble again? Sorry, would you like to see me on TikTok again? In fact, if anybody wants to see me on TikTok again, let me know and I'll have a poll. Would you like to see me on TikTok again? Okay. Remember, if you have YouTube Premium, you can lock your phone and you can use it as an audio just the same way. So, anyway. Yes. Would you like to see me on TikTok again? Yes, no. Or add or undecided. So that's people who just don't care. Undecided, not bothered. Undecided is not bothered either way. So it's either, yes, I want to see it, no, I don't want to see it, or undecided, not bothered either way. Okay? It's showing how to subscribe. No, you don't have to subscribe. You don't have to subscribe. If you subscribe, you're a premium member. You get it for free as a YouTube member. All right? There are people who are subscribing and they pay $3.99 because they're not YouTube members. You as a YouTube member get the service. So you get it for free. If you are if you're not a YouTube member or you're not interested in being a YouTube member, then you subscribe. However, if you are a YouTube member, it's one of your perks. It's one of your benefits to be a member. So no, you don't. And this is why I ask people to go and watch the members video. It tells you about all of your perks that you get as a member. I'm going to give it to you here. There you go. There's the video you need to go and watch. I thought most of your traffic comes... No. Most of my traffic, 99.9%, comes from YouTube. All right. I got views from TikTok, yes, and I've just never done it because the studio setup is different. I need some cables, but you know, I could do it. I'm sure I could find a way of doing it again. David, if you want, I will demand lessons building a. Look at that. See, Ed Nevius. I would love that. Sounds good, brother. Morning. I hit accept invite the wrong after hitting the link. I accept that wrong after hitting the link. No, I've only asked like 4 times now. Okay. I'm running a poll right now. So Jason Davis, good morning to you. Smoky Fats, good morning to you. Way undervalued. I can watch on TikTok, lock my phone and work. You can do that with YouTube. Far better, just so you know. Anyway, right. David has given me his username. I don't see a friend request though. You've not sent me a friend request. What's the time? I've got time before the bell. Right. Here we go. David. What's my username? I just gave it to you on the screen. I'll do it again. It's Martyn Lucas spelt correctly. That's my username. I'm always Martyn Lucas. Always, everywhere, spelt correctly. All right. So let me search now for your username. There you are. I found you. Now I'm looking for you to send me a friend request. Right, David G. Now the first thing I've got to do is give you a nickname. So you're the same person on YouTube as you are on Discord. That's so people know who you are. Otherwise, David Ewan, people just think you're a scammer or a bot or whatever. All right. So I've now given you a username. Sorry, a nickname on our channel. Where have you gone? You were there a second ago. Where have you gone? I was just about to give you a membership. Where did you go? Hey? Oh, there you go. What happened there? That was weird. Right. For a moment, you disappeared. Right. Now I'll give you membership. You don't, you get this, you get the roles for free because it's part of being a member, YouTube member. Right. There you go. Member. There you go. Wish it wouldn't do that. Right. Can you see that? Look, you are a YouTube member now. You have member. All right. Now then, you can now see, I might have a friend request. Friend request, pending, David Ewan, that's me. Don't accept any other friend requests from anyone else called Martyn Lucas. They are not me. All right. I've just sent you a friend request. Sorry, I've just accepted your friend request. All right. There you go. There's you. You see, I sent you a message on June 26th telling you all about it, and you never responded until now. See? Right? See? I did message you, right, David, and I can delete that now. And now, if you scroll down, right to the bottom left-hand side, Ed Nevius's trade plans. You can go in here and you can talk to Ed. If you want to send stuff into the show, if you want me to cover the links for YouTube, you want me to cover certain news items, ask the family questions, stock news, breakfast bar every morning, members come in the breakfast bar. They share with you what they're doing, what they're buying, what they're having for their breakfast every morning. It's where we all get together before the show. There's general chit chat. All right. Oh, Raphael just subscribed to Extra. And David, Jin, this is you. This you. Yes, this is me. Because you've just sent me a friend request and I've just accepted. Yes, this is me. It's the only one that you need to know. Oh, wow, Raphael has subscribed to the music channel as well. I can't believe it. Wow, a super fan. A super fan. David G, we're all up to date now. You are done. All right? Okay. Let me clear that away. And you are all good to go. There you go, David. All part of the service. Will we have a green week, guys? The Hustle Brothers. How are you? We're breaking all-time highs, as you can see. 103,890. Planning on buying more VU, Tesla, and Meta over the next 1 to 20 years. That's the way to go. Martin submitted a super chat last week requesting information. Team Fusion submitted a super chat last week requesting information on Raspberry. Do you know when this will be covered? I believe I was the 6th on the list. Right. I am going to do another 2 reviews this morning. So you'll be like 4th on the list. You can always jump up. The highest one is $5 at the moment. But yes, you are on the list. You are 6 on the list. I'm going to do another 2 this morning. Once we ring the bell, I will do another 2. Remember, you can always jump to the top because you bid $5. You've only got to bid $1 more, and you jump to the top. Or stay where you are, and we'll get to it. Today is my largest dividend for one day. It's going to be amazing. Growing my account, Fight Channel, fantastic. David Ewan, thanks. You're very welcome. Got to go to work. Be back later. Okay, David, have a wonderful day. Right. So, could I... Where is it? So just before we ring the bell, we've got 15 minutes to go. Here is some fun I want to have with all of you. You may or may not seen this. So how can I show this best? How can I show this best? Right. Okay, here we go. Calling all investors from Virgin Galactic to ASTI to the S&P 500 to Amazon and Tesla. We want to invite you to take part in a special event. You know, Rick Astley, where you got Rick rolled and all the rest of it, never going to give you up. Well, the Lucasades have something even better. I've teamed up with a Dallas cheerleader, and we have this for you to take part in. Over the weekend, I recorded 2 new pop videos. First of all, one here with a Dallas cheerleader. Look at this, very, very exciting. She joins me here in the studio. And then another one with a ballerina. How life can be so hard, and it can be so hard as an investor. They're the main videos where you can get all the information from. But these are the shorts that you can collaborate with. Dance with me. Full video. Did you dance and did you collab and share? USA cheerleader. Love is in the air. Cheerleader. Looking great. Have you seen these? If you've not seen these, hopefully these will trend on our channel. So this is on my music channel. The links are above and below. So what you do, you can go on the short and you can collab. You can sing along with me, be in the song with me, or dance along, male or female. We just don't care. And you can go and listen to the whole video if you want to learn the full routine up here. It's quite a bit of fun, as you can see here. There it is. So if you want a bit of relief away from your investing and you want to brighten up your day, and I've always found that if you relax and have some fun, you always make money because you're more relaxed and, you know, The world is much better. Go and check it out. Click above my head, down below in the description, and over here, you'll find more information in the series. Go and collab with me and let's start a new trend, just like Rick Astley, except we're calling it the Lucas Effect. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Kevin B. Good morning, Kevin B. Good morning to you. How are you this morning? And there goes Zap. So at the 667 bounce, it risk-free if in push tops up, and make sure you win the trade. Ed Nevius. We've got Zap. Have we got time? Z-A-P-P. Right. Let's have a look. Zap at 50 minutes. Okay. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor, our scalp trade of the morning, our Ed Nevius scalp trade tips. Oh, hang on a minute.
Team Fusion donated €5 through a super chat. An additional €5 towards my RPI review, smiley face.
Okay, Team Fusion, one of our members just made a super chat. We're making these during live videos. That will go right to the top. It'll be my next review once we get into the opening bell this morning. Thank you very much indeed. Love that. Thanks for the support. All goes into running the channel. Right, so we're looking at Zap electric vehicles this morning. We told you about this one. We were already prepared for this before it popped up, and there it goes. This is all part of our scalp trading service. We provide the training for this for free. It's part of our Discord service. It's only available for Discord subscribers. So you subscribe to Discord, or you get it for free if you are a YouTube member. So it's entirely up to you. But once you are a YouTube member, you need to come into YouTube, give me your username, and I'll upgrade you. I do it manually so I can introduce you to the service and put you in touch with Ed Nevius. So there we go. We'll now start watching Zap electric vehicles. We cover lots of these scalp trades, and we're right about 90% of the time. So enjoy them, but remember, scalp trades are very, very risky, but they can make you money very, very quickly. They can also lose money very, very quickly. Also, we're going to have some fun with you. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. But also, you've heard of Rick Astley? Of course you have. Well, we have something better. We are doing the Lucas Effect, and we're asking you to join in with us, dance along. Over the weekend, I was working with a Dallas cheerleader. There you go. Look at this. You can join along. You can learn the routine. This is on my music channel. You can sing along. We've got the main videos, and she's asking you to subscribe. That's very, very nice of her. And you can go and check this out, sing along with the routine, learn the dance, and on the shorts, you can collab. And we might be giving some prizes away for the best dancers, those of you that join in and have some fun. So you can learn the dance routine, sing along with my songs, and hopefully these will all become viral videos. Very, very exciting working with a Dallas cheerleader. There you go. Very exciting, isn't it? Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. Over here, we'll put the scalp trading playlist. So all the scalp trades will be in there, including Zap. And down here, I'll put our Dallas cheerleader. If you want to go and check out my music channel and take part in all of the fun that we're having over there, become a star and dance and sing with the Dallas cheerleader. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Very, very exciting. 9 minutes to go. Let me get ready with this. I bought up Zap last Tuesday. Congratulations. Nice, Jason. Just bought 100 shares of Robinhood. I have 600 shares at 361. Congratulations, Jason Davis. Now then, Raspberry RPI goes to the top. So let's take that out of there. Cut. Take it to the top. And we'll do that. Raspberry Team Fusion. $10 now. Goes to the top. And I will do that in a minute. It's ready to go. I'm queued up. Breaking all-time highs again, making money again, which is great. $103,900. Remember, I have $10,000 a year now, potential growth on my channel. On my channel? On my portfolio. What the heck am I talking about? Right, the poll. Would you like to see me on TikTok again? 26% said yes. 35% say no. They just don't care about it at all. And undecided, not bothered either way, 40%. So there you go. So 26% of you, a decent amount of you, would actually like to see it. So that's interesting. It's a fair amount. 31 votes. Yeah. Like 10 of you, isn't it? It's about 10 of you. The other 40% of you just aren't bothered. It's not like you don't want to or do want me to. You're not bothered. But 10 of you, that's interesting. All right. Let me see after today's show. I'll try and do it. Thank you very much for that. Tesla is down. How much time have we got? Let's have a quick Tesla. TSLA. TS. $55. Got to be really quick. TSLA. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Tesla, always worried when Permabull Meet Kevin just says everyone should just keep buying it and buying it and buying it. It gets overbought. It's a great company. I love Tesla. However, I keep predicting it's about to come crashing all the way back down again. It's getting overbought, and when things reach heights like this, they fall over very, very quickly. We're going to keep our eye on Tesla today, but I'm going to invite you now to take part in the new trend that we're creating here on YouTube. Very, very excited. You've heard of Rick Astley getting Rick rolled. Well, now there's the Lucas effect. You might not know this, but I'm actually the world piano man. Over the weekend, I recorded with a Dallas cheerleader, and you could go and check this out. And here on my music channel, I was working with a cheerleader, and you can sing along with me and dance to a routine as well. If you want to join in, here it is coming up right now. There you go. So Take some time, learn the routine. I've got a load of shorts on my music channel where you can collab, sing along, be part of it, share the dance, male or female, and we're looking for the best singers and dancers to do the song with me, and Love Is in the Air with a Dallas cheerleader me in the studio. Should be a lot of fun. I hope you'll enjoy that as we keep our spirits up for Tesla. Click above my head for all the information on Tesla, down below in the description. Over here, I'll put my Tesla playlist, and down here, I shall put the Dallas cheerleader. You might want to go and check it out, learn the routine, and sing along with all the songs. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Now, for those of you on the channel who have not yet checked out my song, there you go. There you go. Oops. L-E-D-E-R. I'd love your comments on it. There you go. There is the Dallas cheerleader song. I'll pin it to the top for a minute so you can all go and have a little look. All right, we've got a couple of minutes to go before the bell. Let me give it to all my rumblers. There you go. I agree. Radiant smile. I like what he's saying. Radiant smile. But after the cars, Tesla isn't making money on anything but cars yet. I think Tesla should drop to 200, be a good price to buy, and I agree with that. The Neuralink is very promising. I'm fine with 230, to be honest. Okay. It's only actually worth 110, just you know, in case you're bothered about the actual price. of what it's actually worth right now. Anyway, we've got 2 minutes to go. Of course, it's our stock race then. I've been waiting for a pullback in the S&P. That means that extra $90. As Warren Buffett says, don't wait for a pullback. That's the benefit of just auto reinvesting, because you buy it straight away. But we are at a massive pump at the moment, and it's continued going, which is why I'm fully invested. But it's only $90. Of course, I'd have preferred it to have been in, because it's kept on running since then. But there you go. Virgin Galactic's having a nice bounce. I'm worth $1 million, but I make 120 grand a year. That's how life is. No one gets what they're worth, because if the company that paid you what they're worth, what you're worth, they wouldn't make any money out of you. The purpose of employing someone is so they can get more out of you than they're paying you. If wherever you work, if they paid you what you're actually worth, there'd be no point. They wouldn't make any money out of your services. The only way to get what you're worth is work for yourself and pay yourself what you think you're worth. And you know what you're worth by the money that you earn or don't earn, as the case might be. Right, let's get ready for our stock race and our latest news. As you remember, we do this every morning. We've got 30 seconds to go, and we're going to give you the US news alongside it's the stock race. Let's get ready to go. Sound effects, we've dropped that down to 20. Some of you complained it's been too loud. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The bell has gone. It's time for our stock race and our US news. Are you ready? Let's go. As you can see, my portfolio is up this morning. We are also up on the IRA, 103,897, all-time highs again. If you tap the like button, every morning, every day at this time, we ring the bell, give you the stock news and the latest news for the United States of America. Let's get straight into it. As you can see, Virgin Galactic now taking a bit of a dive. Palantir on the way down. Gold is down today. The S&P is up. That's all I own. Amazon is going down right now. Apple is up but pulling back. NextEra Energy is pulling back. Enphase Energy is up but coming back down. Coca-Cola Defensive going down. People moving to high-risk stocks now. Or the S&P is pumping. Johnson & Johnson going up. This is great value. One of the best stocks you can own right now. Chevron down for pushing back up again. Tesla all the way back down again. We've been warning you, been telling you, it's a stock that is massively overbought right now. Get ready to buy in. It's a great company, just too expensive. Rivian is up. Get ready for that to reverse as well. McDonald's, you can never pay too much for land, is up. Google trimming off today. Microsoft going down 0.48. Nvidia storming away again today, 1.26. Walmart flat at the moment. Tilray's breaking out today, 176. A good opportunity to buy this recently. It's good. It's now going up. Got the news coming out soon about legalization. Robinhood up slightly today, but pulling back. IonQ up, too expensive though. Rocket Lab is firing above $5 now, up 3.27. Plug Power, good value at this price, still overbought before the earnings has done now for the last 2 quarters. Rumble up today very slightly. Funware up slightly. Asti, call it the Lucasade effects. Yes, it is. They came on our show. The stock is up since then. Faraday Future going down to 0. There's no value here whatsoever. It's a bit of a cult following. But anyway, there you go. Bitcoin up 3%. I see it going down to 15,000. I sold all of mine at 70,000. I'm out. Ripple is up today, 5%. Very nice indeed. That's the only crypto I now own. So there you go. And another stock we're looking at the moment, Biopath Technologies. Let's now go over to our US news and cover the US news. We've got Biden says he is not blind to concerns about his age, but tells critics it is time to end speculation. He is not stepping down. Meet Kevin trying to get free views, keeps saying he is, just to get everyone to watch his channel. I cannot believe it. Donald Trump a few weeks ago said the world was going to end with 48 hours. Why do people try to get subscribers at the very flimsy reason? It's so desperate. Terrible, terrible thing to do. All eyes will be on Biden at NATO summit, and the risk of missteps are huge. Las Vegas hits all-time temperature record. Global warming. Boeing to admit to fraud, to avoid trial over crashes that killed 346 people. Starmer, the new Prime Minister of England, shares clips of call with Biden. Did you see that? It was great. After Starmer's victory, what's next for the special relationship? Cars launched off cliff in celebration. Minnesota Vikings devastated after rookie killed in car crash. NASA volunteers speak for first time after spending years in Mars bunker. Pet cat rescued after, what's this here? A pet cat rescued after boat fire. Always nice to hear good news like that. Biden addresses speculation over his future. Asteroid to pass Earth in relatively close shave. Biden's make or break interview felt like a medical consultation. There's the latest news here on the stock market and your positions. As you can see, I'm up to date, breaking all-time records once again. Join us every day for the stock race. Another all-time high. Smash the like button. And of course, when we hit an all-time high, we got to give it the cheer. There you go. Awesome stuff. Join me live every morning for more news like this. You might also like to take part in our little thing we've got going on at the moment. I have just been working with a Dallas cheerleader. Very, very exciting times. If you want to sing along, dance along, have you seen this trending on YouTube? Very exciting. Rick Astley had Never Gonna Give You Up. I have Lovers in the Air dancing with our Dallas cheerleader. Join in, sing along, be part of it, and have some fun with this. There's a whole set of shorts where you can sing along, dance along, learn the words, and have some fun. There you go. Click above my head, down below in the description, over here and over here for more information. I'll put the full news playlist, and down here I shall put our cheerleader. Join in, record yourself singing and dancing. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Morning all. Rob Brennan, Martin talking fast, as did Ash. Did he have coffee? Ask, did he have coffee? Just the tea, like an auction house. Oh, I get that too. Morning all. You'll see more money and you'll want to make more money. I make 10 to 12 grand. You'll see the more money you make, you'll only want to make more. I want about 10 to 12K a month after taxes, and only have 1,500 to 2,000 monthly expenses. The rest I invest. Fantastic. Good luck to you, Radiant Smile. Biggest expense is health insurance. I wish I didn't have those either. I have no rent or payments. No, I don't have. I paid my mortgage off before I started investing. Always do it that way around. Anyway. Okay, I think I've covered all the questions. Right. Tesla. Did we do news on Bell? Okay, now what we need to do is... let's have a quick look. I believe a couple of you may have just subscribed to the music channel. I just want to have a quick look before we make our reviews. Let's have a look. Analytics. Today, yes, I just got another subscriber to the music channel. Thank you. 5,864. We're nearly at 3,800 now for the watch time. So we've got to get back to 4,000. Yes. Yes, I've just had 5 of you watch Love is in the Air and He Ain't Heavy. 3 of you. Thank you very much indeed for those of you that have just supported that. And I can see Stacey Bailey's watching the playlist. She's watching the Paul McCartney playlist. How can I see this? How do I know? I know everything. It's my job to know everything. Right, let's come back to here and let's do some reviews. Have we got anybody who wants upgrading on Discord before we start? No, I think we're looking good there. Cyril. Yep, Cyril was the latest. That's all taken care of. Ed Nevius. Let's see if... wanted to see if David Ewan had been in there. He hasn't. He said he was going off to work. I wanted to see if he'd made contact with Ed. Right, let's have a look. Right. So, what is next? Here we go. Let's do this now. Cut that from there. Put that there. This is Team Fusion. Team Fusion, one of our gold members. And he wants this done now. So let's line it up. You are interested in RPI, Raspberry Pi. Raspberry, I like that. RPI. Right, let's have a look. RPI. Or is it PI? Hang on a minute. I can't work which one this is. RPI Raspberry PI. It's not. That's it. PI is in Pinge. Team Fusion, are you here to confirm what this is? I can't work out which one. It's not one called Raspberry. Raspberry. No, there's not one called Raspberry. I can't find which one you want. PI is in Pinge. Is it that? Ticker symbol is RPI. Okay, it's not showing up. Let me have a look. RPI. It's not showing up anyway. Oh. Oh, I see. It's not on the US Stock Exchange. That's why. Okay. Incomplete data. Oh, there's no information on it. Is this a very small cap company? Let's have a look. $806 million. So it's not insignificant. Why is there no data on it? They've not reported anything. It's not showing up on Robinhood. It's not showing up on Alpha. It shows up on Alpha Spread, but no information on it. That's really weird. They're not reporting any information at all. They floated last month. Yes, I'm looking at it and there's nothing on it. We need analytics, we need data. They're not providing anything. Let me show you what I'm looking at. I'm looking at Alpha Spread. There's no news, there's no returns, there's no inside positions, we've got forecasts from Wall Street, no intrinsic values, no earning, there's nothing. They normally report something, but they've not reported anything. And on Robinhood, they don't show anything at all. Let me use Seeking Alpha. It's very limited. Seeking Alpha doesn't show anything either. I mean, these are the biggest platforms in the world not showing anything. If they don't report, it's very difficult to know what they are. Just trying to find. No, Seeking Alpha doesn't cover it either. This is more like a private company. You say it's gone public, but what? It's on the LSE. Not the FTSE, so it's not on the main London School of Economics. So it's not a publicly traded company. London School of Economics and Political Science, LSE, exchange, the London Stock Exchange. Okay, it is public. It's on the LSE, but it's not in the FTSE, FTSE. So there's just no information on it. You've picked us. I've never been stumped before, but now I'm looking at TradingView. I also use that. I'm so sorry. You've given me a $10 super chat for a stock with no information anywhere. Other than knocking on their front door, I can't find anything out. Okay. TradingView. Okay, they've just started to give some information now. Yeah, doesn't tell you the shares. The income is 25 million. This is very hard to do. News-wise, director, RS. I mean, there's a bit on TradingView, but let me come back to what you're saying. They floated maybe over the counter. No, it's London, but there's just nothing on it. I'm using trading, but I could only find. Yeah, there is nothing. Do you have confirmed what I? So you have confirmed what I thought. Small computer. Yeah, you can't invest in something you don't know what it is. You can't. Otherwise, you're just gambling. To invest in a company with no, I'm using TradingView, Alpha Spread, Seeking Alpha, Robinhood. I've got other software as well. My backtest software, my portfolio visualizer. I've got quite a few things, and there's nothing on anything, so I can't make a review because there's just to do a review. I've got to look at a balance sheet, and I've got to ascertain the value of a company. If there's no publication, I've got nothing to go off. Google Finance gives information about RPI. Google Finance, yeah, but that's very limited. I kept getting ads for it. Yeah, you will do. I have 100 shares via Trading 212. They've halted Zap. It's on Yahoo Finance. Again, but not all the data that I need. You're right, Smokey, on it being RPI, I think. Yes, it's the ticker symbol is RPI. But there is very little on it. Stock. Raspberry. I mean, yeah, Yahoo Finance. There's, but it's not enough to ascertain a value. I mean, I can't. A review is when I look at the numbers and then interpret, is it an investment for me? Just reading out what I'm reading on Yahoo Finance, it's not a review. It's just me reading out what's on Yahoo Finance. And Yahoo Finance doesn't tell me anything. It just tells me, in fact, it doesn't even tell, it just tells me what the price is and what the close is. It doesn't really tell me anything. Team Fusion, I feel terrible here. I can't do anything. I can't make it up. I can't just, I can't do a Meet Kevin and just, it's got to be based upon numbers and facts and balance sheets and stuff like that. Otherwise, I'm just giving my guess on something I don't know anything about, and so I can't. I'm so sorry, and I can't refund you. I'm not in a position to refund anyone. I have no control over that at all. So I'm happy to leave $10 in the bank and give you any other stock review as an apology. I'm happy to do that, but that's all I can really do. You know, I can sing you a couple of songs on the music channel, or I can do another review. I'm sorry about that. I wouldn't buy any stock that I can't find information on, that I can't review myself. I don't. To me, that's just guessing, and there's got to be a reason why you buy a stock. Anyway. I appreciate you looking at it, Martin. You can review a Raspberry Pi. Now that I can do. Leah could make me one. We could have a Raspberry Pi here, and I could tell you how lovely it is. I can talk for 20 minutes on the taste benefits of a Raspberry Pi. There's no problem with that. I can do that. So Team Fusion, I'm going to leave a review in the bank for you. So if you, if you give me one, I will leave it in the bank for you. How about that? Martin, give me that cheerleader's number and we can call it a done deal for the $10. Sorry about that. Get me in trouble. Okay. I like that. That's good. Good try. Very good. So let me go down to the next one then. So I'll do another review. Let's do it now. Cut. Here we go. Here we go. So let's have a look. Let's see if we get this. Let's hope this one comes up. We don't want two in a row, do we? That would be bad. This is better. Normal service is resumed. I was like, this can't carry on like this. This is going to be chaos. What's going on? So here we go. Right. So now I'm loading in all my software. 23. And me. This is a salty biscuit. Okay. Where do you come up with these names? Love to know why people come up with the names they come up with. What does that mean? There's always a meaning somewhere on the line. It didn't just, even if it just came into your head, came into your head for a reason. Came into your head for a reason. I know that for a fact. Right. All right. Here we go. 23 and me. Our next one, Salty Biscuit. I love the way everyone always says, do you accept the cookies? You could say no, and then nothing works. It's like all the flipping, what's it called? It's like all the license on Apple. Do you accept this license? Well, no. Right, you can't use it then. Okay, so I'll just say yeah then, shall I? Yeah, just always say yeah. Always agree to everything that everything that we say. Salty biscuits are delicious. Butter and honey. Oh, butter and honey. That sounds good. Real butter, none of your processed chemical butter. Proper Anchor butter, right? Real butter made with just cows that eat grass in the fields. That's it. Boom. And honey with bees, not chemically induced or anything like that. Yeah, sounds bloody great. Right, okay. So what are we talking this time? Consumer genetics. All right. Genetics. Okay. Let's do this now then. So the time is an hour and 31.3. Good morning, Martyn Lucas, William. Please, any Nicola comment. Thank you. I'm just focusing on the members at the moment, William. You're not a member of the channel. I've got a review I've got to do right now, so that's what we're about to do. So let's get straight into this. Okay. Chart. Okay. For some reason, I can't start. Why can't I start? Got a delayed response here. I'm like, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, hang on, guest. I just realized that. What's going on there? There you go. Don't know why I did that. And I fixed it. Right. Okay, here we go. Time for another stock review, this time 23andMe. And we're back to the laboratory once again. And we're looking at genomics. We're looking at sciences. This is going to be interesting, this. I think you might find this interesting and see if we can make some money from it. So turn on the money printer. Does it all stack up as we scratch our chin and do the maths on this one? 23andMe. And we're also, during our review of this stock, going to give you the opportunity to, oh yes, dance with a Dallas cheerleader. Yep, I recorded a pop video over the weekend and we've got a trending thing here going on and you can take part in our latest trend. We'll cover all of that in a minute. But between now and then, though, we're going to start off with 23andMe and work out, first of all, what it is. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Tap the like button. Have you tapped the like button? Have you hit subscribe and ring the bell? Have you done that? Okay. What is 23andMe? What is it all about exactly? Let's start off nice and basic. During this video, you're going to see lots of information, including dancing with our cheerleader. We're going to show you the website for 23andMe. We're going to give you the latest news on the stock, a back test, very, very important. There's no dividend here. We're also going to share with you the balance sheet, the ins and the outs of the stock, so you can see who's buying, insiders, latest news, intrinsic values. We're going to give you the balance sheet, the profitability, the loss, solvency scores, whether you should buy it or not. That's entirely up to you. Remember, I do not own this stock. I only own the S&P 500, and I'm consistently beating the market because I'm in margin at the moment, but paying it down. And we also have a Meet the CEO series. So if you'd like the CEO of 23andMe to be on the show, you can do that. Simply email investor relations, invite them on the show, and I'd love to interview them and to find out more about the company, alerting and showing the world all about their wonderful company, assuming it is, of course. If it's not, I'll say so as well. Right, let's get straight into it without further ado. Have you tapped the like button? Have you done all that? Are you ready to rock and roll? Okay, let's get straight into it and let's start nice and simple. Here we go. So let's look at the overall basic line chart first of all. As you can see, 2020, it popped up and it had a few pops. So straight away we can see it presents itself as a trading stock. Oh, it's heading down. Obviously now it's massively down to where it was. Doesn't look like it's had a reverse split. Doesn't look so because its highest was 16. So this will be interesting. Maybe it has. If it falls below $1 for a period of time, so let's have a look. How long has it been below $1? Since getting on for like 10 months, 8, 9, 10 months. So I guess it's had a reverse split. I don't know. I would assume it did. Anyway, it's normally a limited time, but companies can apply for extensions and all sorts. Don't take anything for granted. What is the company? 23andMe is a consumer genetics and research company which engages in assisting people to understand and benefit from the human gene. It operates through the consumer and research services, the therapeutic segment. Show more, we'd like more. The consumer and research services segment consist of personal gene service, the telehealth business and research services. The therapeutic segment focuses on the genetics insight of genetic and phenotypic. This always gets me when we have any of this kind of stock. That I'm reading it live, so I'm not a scientist. I'm not a doctor. So I apologize for my pronunciation on the scientific terminology. The company was founded by Anne Wojcicki, I hope I got that correct, 2006, and is headquartered in South San Francisco, California. The listed name is ME23andMe. There's Anne, the CEO. Would love to have you on the show. Please email Anne at Investor Relations on the company website and tell them about the show. We often rank #1 for the stock and would love to have her on the show. 582 employees, San Francisco, California, 2006. Very risky, 100% maintenance if you're using margin to buy this stock. 207 million is the market cap. Okay, so it's a reasonable sized company, but still very, very small in this sector, and it's been around, of course, for 4 years. Price earnings ratio -31 cents, so it's losing money on your investment. Dividend, no dividends at the moment. Average volume 7 million. Today's volume 98 million. Sorry, 98,000. So no volume today. No, expect no short squeeze today. All right, 52-week low 35 cents and 52-week high $2.03. Okay. Now this is interesting. I like to use this. Let me make this a bit smaller. Let me go over here. On our app here, we can see some trends. If If we scroll down here, very interesting. It's a new service provided by Robinhood. We do like it. By the way, if you click below, you'll find my link to Robinhood. I only want one more person to get the gold plan on Robinhood, and I'll have a solid gold credit card, and I will share the money I get from that with you if you click on it and then prove to me via Discord that you used my referral. You'll get free stocks as well, but if you share that with me, I'll share that with you when and if I get it. Right, so hedge funds, you can see Q1, we've had a little bit of interest from hedge funds starting to buy in. Let me have a quick look. Who has been buying in? You can see in Q1, let's have a look. Who have we had? Reopened a position, Kenneth Tropin, 91,000 shares, and Wexford Capital LP Charles Davidson closed a position at 23,000. What about insiders, those at the company? Well, as you can see, back in between August and October, they were buying. Why you see the buying and selling, by the way, that is tax automated positions. You can see there, look, unformative buy, uniformative buy. There are certain transactions, if we go here, look, automatic buy transactions. What this is simply a tax position. Those at the company making very small trades, in and out. It's just part of their processes. It's not a sentiment. What is a sentiment is this last position here. We can see here, May, 89% buy, 11% sell, 1 million shares bought. That's good. In May, just a couple of months ago, we did see some insiders buying. All right, and you can scroll down here and see who's buying and what the type of trade is. You can see if it's an automatic buy transaction or share allocation. You can see all of that. So there's a bit of a sentiment there in the right direction. We like that. Thank you, Robinhood, for providing us that information. I do like that. It's a new feature they've just added. Right, let's now go and move on with this review. And I did say there'd be an opportunity for you here to dance with and sing with our new trend on my music channel. This is me performing here with a Dallas cheerleader. If you want more information to this, click above my head down below in the description, and you can see a trend we've got going on here where you can dance and sing along to a pop video I made with a Dallas cheerleader. Very, very exciting stuff, right? Of course, you want to go and do that. The links are above and below in the description of this video. Very nice indeed. We're starting a bit of a trend with my music channel. Anyway, moving on, I'm going to share with you now how it compares to the S&P. Looking at this right now, as you can see, if you put $10,000 back in 21, in the S&P, you've now got 15,000. Not bad at all. Whereas 10,000 has turned to 345 with 23andMe. You won't be so happy with that, of course. Let's have a look at the chart. As you can see, there's not a great deal to show compared to the S&P other than a very, very strong decline. We can't really check COVID conditions, macro conditions. It doesn't go that far back, but we can see if you comparing the two, that's how it performed. We are going to come on to the numbers in a minute. What about some latest news from 23andMe? Let's zoom in and make this as clear to you for you as possible. There we go. 23andMe to offer free blood testing for members in pilot program. This is just out a couple of days ago. 23andMe Holding and Nightingale Health said Friday they are collaborating to provide free blood metabolomics. I hope I pronounced that correctly. Let me try that again. Metabolomics. Metabolomics. I'm not a scientist, not a doctor. All right, I'm just an entertainer presenting a review. Metabolomics, testing up to 5,000 of 23andMe plus premium and total health members. The companies said they will use Nightingale's remote health check to measure blood samples for dozens of biomarkers, including cholesterol, apolipoproteins, and fatty acids like omega-3 to provide guidance for potential lifestyle changes. The blood biomarkers may improve the accuracy of optional testing, and 23andMe already provide annual members, the company said. Always good to see. Okay, great. Let's now look at the numbers. Have you liked this video so far? Have you subscribed and rung the bell? Have you? I hope you have. Let's go and look at the numbers. This is what it's all about. This is when we ascertain the true value of a company. Right. We know a little bit about it. We had a look at the website. We've got an idea of what the company is about. Now let's look at the numbers. So, unfortunately, this intrinsic value doesn't use DCF valuation, so we can't say it's accurate. We're looking at it going, it's $2.13. Well, that's great at 42 cents, then today's price. However, we cannot say that this is an accurate valuation because of the information the company provide. However, let's look at the financials, zoom in to make it as clear for you as possible. All right, 219 million, the most recent range here, back of March 2024. We're waiting now for the next earnings. When is the next earnings? Let's have a look and see. Now, if you want me to cover the earnings, expected on August the 8th, if one of my members does a super chat, we'll get up early in the morning or late in the evening. As it happens, this is after hours, and we will cover the earnings for you, and we'll do that for you, and we'll provide more news if you want that. Just book it in with me if you want it. Revenue, 219 million, down 11%. Operating income, up 4%, negative 319 million, negative 28%. And we are expecting things to improve, though, negative 667 million. Financing cash flow, negative 15%. Investing cash flow, negative 11%. That's a plus 9.6 million negative. Operating cash flow, it's an improvement of 10%, which is nice. Still negative, though, at 164 million. What about the balance sheet? Balance sheet initially looks quite good. We've got more assets and liabilities. We don't want an upside down balance sheet, and we don't want too many liabilities. We don't want too much cash sitting around without doing anything, and we don't want too much debt. 608 million, and a third of that is in cash. We like to have a company. It's great to have cash, but of course they're just making money from interest payments. Well, you can do that yourself. No point just investing in a company which has a lot of cash. It's okay for Apple and Google and Microsoft and Amazon to have a lot of cash because they're already making lots of money and they hold cash, which they earn interest on. But interest rates are expected to go down soon, so that's not good for a company that just holds cash. We're not investing in a bank that holds money. We want the business to invest its cash to build a stronger business. So it's okay to have cash, just not too much if it's not doing very much. It's just sitting there. 231 million. Do we have any long-term or short-term debt? We don't. So the balance sheet should appear okay. Let's scroll down and find out. Gross margin, 45%. Operating margin, negative 145%. Net margin, down 304%. FCF margin, down 79%. ROCE, that's a return on capital employed, negative 51%. Return on invested capital, we've got negative of 71%. And ROE, negative 86%. That's a return on assets. Then we've got ROE, that's a return on equity, negative 122%. If we scroll down here to the profitability score, no surprise, 21%. It's a low profitability score. The company isn't making any money. And as we speak right now, it's being sold off. It's just going down 2.66%. It's a negative report from me so far, and the stock is going down 2.66. Let's look at the balance sheet. 53%. Like I said, the balance sheet's okay, but it just holds cash. It's not really doing that much. If I had $10 and no debts, I would have 100% solvency score. Can't go bust. You know, if you've got no debts and you've got no liabilities, I mean, they've got some expenses, hence it's not 100%. But 53% is okay, but it's pretty much as expected. But what do Wall Street give this? They're saying 49% upside at the lowest level. Average is 213%, or at the highest forecast, 391%. Wall Street seem to like it. There's the competition. If you're using the software that I use, all members can get a free version of this software. or a premium version, which basically is free. The discount you get makes my membership for free. It's better than Bloomberg, CNBC. I get the best discount on this. It's the only reason why I partner with them. I don't get paid from them. I don't get paid to make reviews, but I partner with people that provide me the best deals for my members. I'm always trying to find the best deals for my members. As you can see, we got some selling going on, as we reported at the beginning, but it has been decreasing. That is a good sign of selling going down from insiders. What about short interest? Well, we've got a 9% short interest, so not enough volume, not enough short interest to drive a short squeeze. No real news here. This was the last news here was 8 months ago, a long time ago. Not much to shout about there, so it's not getting much attention right now. The last 90 days. Just neutral news mainly, 70%. Negative news has crept in, 42% the last 30 days. The last 7 days, no news. Not a lot going on, not a lot of attention. We might be able to rank for this stock on YouTube, and it might draw some attention to it. So what do you think? What we've learned is insiders have been selling but getting less, and some buying in now. We've learned that Wall Street like it. The profitability is low, but expecting that to increase. We've got solvency. They're not going to go bust anytime soon, but everything right now isn't good for the company, really. We are expecting some growth, but not a lot. Not really. Intrinsic value, well, because of the lack of information, we cannot give it a full valuation. So it is a bit of a lucky punt at this stage. Do you like this sector? Do you like penny stocks? Do you feel there's a potential here? I don't see any major catalyst, nothing really exciting to get into. This is a very, very difficult sector, a very expensive sector. They do have some cash. I would say it's not a buy from me. I would say it's one for further investigation and to know more about the technology or the science, the breakthroughs that potentially could come. I'm not a scientist. I'm not a medical expert, so I don't like these kind of stocks because you have to understand what they've got coming down the line. Really understand it, not just looking at charts. It's not enough for this. You need to know what they've got. This kind of stock can explode on good news. So I mentioned earlier in the video that you can have the opportunity to dance with our cheerleader, our Dallas cheerleader, and also sing along if you want to be part of our video. So you can. I'm going to give you that information again. You can sing along. I can't play the audio for copyright reasons, but the links are above my head down below in the description. Join along. Go on one of the little shorts and take part in all of that. It's a lot of fun, and we're creating a bit of a trending pop video here with me in my studio with a Dallas cheerleader. A lot of fun. Anyway, so there you go. For me, it's not a buy, I'm afraid. This is not a buy from me. It's one for more investigation. Click above my head for more information. Down below in the description, you'll find all those links. And over here, I shall put our what should I put over here? Our 23andMe playlist. Yes, I'll make a playlist for 23andMe, and down here I'll put our Dallas cheerleader. You can go and check it out if you want to join in with our dancing and singing routine. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other. All right. Hey!
Brickmark has become a member. 1 month to go. Glad to be a part of the family.
Thank you very much indeed. Wonderful to have you here. 1 month to go. You get your 2-year badge. We can then invite you into the VIP club, of course, on X, which would be great. Good morning, please. Any Nicola comment? Thank you. I'm just focusing on the members at the moment, as you can see. They need to corner the baby daddy caught DNA test market. They got found out they were selling DNA to the federal government, FBI and CIA. Thank you, Smoky Fats. Just come. Did we talk about ASTI? Yes, we did. right at the beginning of the show. We made a video on ASTI. 1 month to go. Glad you're part of the family. All right. 24andMe is starting to move up again now. My portfolio is breaking all-time records again. 104,000. Look at that. Absolutely fan-flipping-tastic. Compounding is starting to kick in now, which is very, very nice. Right, afternoon all. Okay, now then, today is a shorter show. We did another review there. There'll be more reviews this afternoon. I've got to get off and put these videos out. As you can see, I've got my Dallas cheerleader video pinned to the top. Go and check that out on my music channel. I'd love you to be part of all of that. A lot of fun. And there we go. So I'm Nikunj Sharia. Hi, Stephen. How are you, Nikunj? Lovely to have you here. How is your MTDR doing? Position doing? Right. We've got to wrap up today's show. Let's do day trader of the day and let's see who wins today. Are you ready? Day trader of the day. So I am up today 0.25, which means I am beating the market again. Here we go. Day trader of the day up 0.25%. See who beats me today, if anybody. I'm sure plenty of you will. And also we'll roll the credits as well for all our stars of our show today. Roll the credits. Who's our stars today? We've got a new subscriber, Eric RV. Thank you very much. Members celebrating Brick Mark and a super chat from Team Fusion. Team Fusion, let me know what other stock you'd like me to review, and I'll do it for you. Now you've got one in the bank. Plus, I'm going to message you today and see if we can arrange our one-on-one. As you are a gold member, you wanted to book a one-on-one in. Right, let's have a look. Fight Channel up 1.25. Fight Channel goes into the lead. Chris Coyle is up 0.08. Fight Channel is winning at the moment. We love it. Oh, Brick Mark's gone into the lead. 1.64. 1.64. Brick Mark has gone into the lead. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Brick Mark. Is Brick Mark going to be the winner? We'll find out in a couple of seconds. Let's see if we get a few more in. We're now going to go to the extra channel. Join me there on the extra channel and you'll see when I bring the new videos out. Join me. I'll go and get changed into some more comfortable attire so I can sit here and relax and get your videos out for you. There's the extra channel. Let me do that. Let me give everybody the extra channel on Rumble, should you wish to join us. We're live 12 hours a day for all the family and members to be able to support each other. There's the link there. Let me give everybody hear it as well. Brick Mark 1.64. I'm going to say Brick Mark is our winner today, so let me do that. Here we go. Brick Mark, you are our winner today. Congratulations to you. Thank you for your honest trades. Appreciate it, and give them a thumbs up. Nice one. All right, we're going to go over now to the extra channel. Join me for 12 hours a day support for all the family. Hopefully you'll join us there. That would be absolutely awesome. Please do. I'm waiting for a pullback so I can deploy my extra $90. But if it keeps on running, it doesn't matter. I'll just throw the $90 at the wall. It doesn't matter. You can't keep the S&P down. All right, it's always going to go up long term. Okay, so we're about to go over the Hustle Brothers. Thank you very much indeed. We're going to get off now. There'll be some videos coming out. Please go and check out my music channel. Here is the music channel in the chat, coming in the chat whenever I can find the button. There it is. Go and subscribe to my music channel. Go and check out our Dallas cheerleader and our ballerina for He Ain't Heavy, how hard life can be. There we go. Not bad with Amazon and space. Let's have a quick look on space today just before we go. SPCE, nice rise today. I tell you what we'll do. That's a nice bounce. We'll put that right at the end of the show. There you go. We'll finish with this. We'll just cover this. We'll cover this, I think. This would be great. All right, let's do this. Okay, let's have a quick look. We'll do this. SPC at end. Let's do this. Okay. Virgin Galactic investors, a good day today and some fun news here. Do you want to take part in a video with a Dallas cheerleader? Yes, you can record yourself singing a song and dancing along with a Dallas cheerleader. We'll come on to all that in a second. But Virgin Galactic is up today, as you can see, 3.88. Nice little bounce. We're all excited after our weekend working in the studio with our Dallas cheerleader. I will give you the opportunity to sing along and dance along and become famous on YouTube and around the world with that. But right now, Virgin Galactic is looking nice. Tap the like button if you approve this message and click subscribe and ring the bell. So what's going on with Virgin Galactic? I don't have any particular news today. The volume is 665. There's not going to be any major news for a while. Virgin Galactic, is it among the best stocks to buy according to Reddit's Wall Street Bets? Well, of course, Wall Street Bets on Reddit is all about gambling and the meme stock craze. So be very, very careful if you are going to use that as a guide. I'd be very, very careful if you're going to do that. But anyway, our Dallas cheerleader did me a nice favor. Look at this. She asks you to subscribe and like my video. So go and check that out. That's coming up in a second. I'll share that with you. But going back to this, yes, be very, very careful. Reddit is very, very risky. This is interesting, however. I want to share this with you. Hedge funds. Q4, they bought in. Q1, they bought a little bit more, which is very, very nice indeed. So we have a quick look who those hedge funds are. We can see Andrew Law has just bought in, reopened a position. Graham Capital Management, Kenneth Tropin. What about insiders? Have we got any inside action? That's growing as well. That's positive to see. So that's very, very good news today. Let's see. Gilbert West, a director, what we've got are cumulative shares of grant or reward. Now, this is what I put out the other day. These positions that you are seeing here aren't actual buying in because they love the stock. They're getting paid and getting compensated in shares. So just bear that in mind when you see insiders giving this looks like they're buying in. Read information and make sure that you check the description. The fact is, it's share compensation, not just I love the company. Anyway, I did tell you that you could take part in our dance-off and sing-off with a Dallas cheerleader. How exciting is this? So you want to do this with me? Well, on my music channel, I'll put the links below. You can go and check it out, sing along and have some fun, and you can be part of our trend. You remember Rick Astley? Well, we've got a Lucasade one like that now, and it's very, very exciting. So click above my head for further information on Virgin Galactic down below in the description, and you'll find the links down there. And over here, I'll put the playlist for Virgin Galactic, and down here, I'll put the video for our Dallas cheerleader. Get involved, have some fun. In between investing in stocks, you can have a bit of fun. I always think it's the way to go. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Right. So, Virgin Galactic, it's a false breakout, really. Just bear that in mind. Okay, let me clear that down. What we're looking to do now. We'll wrap up the show there. I just wanted to put that in at the end. All right, folks, so I'll see you all back in a bit. I'm going to send you over now to the extra channel. Hopefully, you'll go and check out my music. Have some fun there. In the meantime, I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you very much for being here. I've got those videos to come out shortly. Until next time, as always, be good, Join me on the extra channel right now. We'll keep the show going. Until then, till this afternoon, all the premiers, take care of yourselves and each other.